Welcome to another DressArt3D.com restoration, done by Ronin074. Today, I'm excited to reveal the result of one of our most delicate restoration commissions yet, the green ceramic vase from Villa Brogna. When it arrived, 5 of its petals were missing, gone completely. The first challenge was drilling into the ceramic for internal pinning. One slip, and the vase could have cracked. But the prep held firm. Next came sculpting. Each petal was rebuilt by hand with air-drying clay, slowly shaped and sanded to match the original form. Hours of sanding brought them to life again. Then, the painting began. Masked and airbrushed in layers of custom-mixed green, we chased the subtle watercolor effect of the original glaze. A melted air hose almost halted everything, but a quick repair saved the day. After over 20 hours of work, the vase is whole again, sealed in glossy varnish, and the client was absolutely thrilled. Support more projects like this at DressArt3D.com, where restoration meets art. Visit DressArt3D.com to browse and buy our uniquely designed and hand-painted miniatures, exclusive t-shirts, and merch. Every purchase helps us bring more amazing projects to life. And if you have a restoration commission in mind, commissions are always open. Contact us at contact@DressArt3D.com to discuss your project.